ఓకేనా? డాడీ లేవు లేవు చదువుకుందాం. నేను రెడీ చెప్పు, ఇంకా సైలెంట్ వింటా డాడీ.
1 hour later.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand. I for import. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nut. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for quail. R for rose. S for swan. T for X for xylophone. Y for egg. And Z for zebra. Next page. This one, numbers 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.